Welcome to the weekly tech update with me, Mike Walmsley. It's a look at everything that's happened in the worlds of technology, the internet, search engines and social media over the last week. This week I've got stories for you from, amongst others, Microsoft, O2, Virgin and Foursquare, plus the digital equivalent of smell-o-vision. Stay tuned for full details. It is thought that there are now over 1 billion people with smartphones across the world. Nokia released the first phone that was considered to be a smartphone way back in 1996, and it has taken 16 years to reach the 1 billion mark. But this number is expected to double within the next 3 years, and that's an awful lot of people playing Angry Birds. On the subject of mobile phones, UK-based mobile operator O2 saw a service outage last week that affected approximately 10% of its customers. O2 have promised to invest around £10 million, that's £1 million for every percent, to improve its infrastructure to ensure that its customers do not suffer a similar outage in the future. However, O2 will not be issuing any compensation to those customers who were affected by the outage. Were you affected? Do you think that you're justified in claiming compensation? Let me know by leaving a comment. If you browse the web using Internet Explorer 8, then you might be getting excited about the release of IE 10. Microsoft has announced that IE 10 will be available for download onto Windows 7 machines in November. There will be a preview version that will be available around the middle of the month, and a final release will be made available at the end of the month. IE 10 will ship as standard, with new machines running the new Windows 8 operating system. Virgin Media have said that they will extend their free Wi-Fi service on the London Underground into 2013. They say that they have 661,000 subscribers and that on the 27th of September they recorded just over 1 million connections to the service in a 24-hour period. As well as being able to browse the web, send emails and update social media sites, users can also get up-to-the-minute travel information. Now, is it a sign of the times or a sign of my age that people would rather converse on social media sites than simply ask the person next to them how they are today? With more and more people using mobile phones to surf the web, then the mobile search market is going to grow and grow. A Brighton-based company have launched a dedicated search engine for mobiles. It is called Mazoom.mobi and only returns results that are for mobile websites. As well as general search, the site also allows you to search locally, for news articles and for apps. My thought, having played with the site, is that this might be a company that is looking to be bought out. There is no room for any advertising within the site, and so I do not see where the revenue stream will come from, and there is no app available. You simply go to the site via your smartphone browser, all of which suggests that the company is looking to demonstrate its technological capabilities rather than offer a long-term alternative to the likes of Google and Bing. Foursquare also appear to be moving more into local search. They have launched a new version of their homepage that allows you to search for businesses even when you're not signed into Foursquare itself. I've also played with this service and found that none of the businesses that I have added to Foursquare, such as my Tai Chi class location, show in the results. And I think that it would be a useful feature to have a subdirectory of user-recommended businesses. What do you think? Will you be using Foursquare as a search engine as well as just a social media geolocation tool? Let me know. Facebook now allows users to post emoticons in their comments. Users of the social networking site have been able to put smiley faces in private messages to other users for a while, but now the ability has also been rolled out to include comments posted in reply to status updates. Bizarrely enough, while you can include a smiley in a comment, you cannot have one in the actual status. Facebook are now allowing ads to help promote mobile apps. When a user clicks on the app, they are taken to the app, or if they do not have it installed, to the appropriate app store so that it can be downloaded. Those that have trialled the system during the summer are reporting 50% higher click-through rates. It is also worth noting that the results of another study published today shows that 19% of new page likes are now coming from mobile devices, and this is up from only 5% back in May of this year. This again shows the ever-increasing importance of having a strategy for mobile in place for your business. And finally, Chaku Perfume, apologies for my pronunciation of the name, who are a perfume company in Japan, have developed an iPhone attachment that will release smells into the atmosphere. This isn't a simple air freshener, but an app that allows users to send smells to their friends with the same app. There are a lot of possible uses for such a device, but I have to ask, why would anybody, with the exception of teenage boys, want to send somebody an aroma? My name is Mike Walmsley, and I'll be back next week with another weekly tech update. Thanks for watching.